Welcome to today's IELTS speaking practice. In this video, we'll go through a full Band 8 sample answer, from Part 1 to Part 3, so you can improve your fluency, vocabulary, and confidence. Read along with me, shadow each sentence, and speak out loud to build your natural English speaking rhythm. Let's get started.
Part 1. Introduction and General Questions. Question: do you usually take care of your personal belongings?
Sample answer: yes, I do. I try to be quite careful with my things, especially when I'm outside. I always double check to make sure I haven't left anything behind, like my phone or wallet.
Have you ever lost something valuable?
Yes, unfortunately. A few years ago I lost my phone while commuting. It slipped out of my bag on a crowded train. That experience made me more cautious.
What do you usually do when you lose something?
I try to stay calm and retrace my steps. I'll go back to the places I've been, ask around, and check with lost and found service.
Do you think people today are more careless with their belongings?
In some ways, yes. We carry so many gadgets now. Phones, earbuds, chargers, that it's easy to misplace something. But I think it depends on the person, really.
Part 2. Cue card.
Describe a time when you lost something important.
Alright, I'd like to talk about a time I lost my passport during a trip abroad. It happened about 2 years ago, while I was traveling in Spain. I was staying in a small hostel in Barcelona, and on the morning of my flight back home, I realized my passport was missing. I checked my backpack, my suitcase, even under the bed. Nothing. My heart sank. I tried to retrace my steps from the previous day. I remembered having it at a cafe where I had lunch, so I rushed back there and, thankfully, someone had turned it in. I was incredibly relieved. This experience taught me to be more organized and double-check my belongings when I travel. It was stressful, but also a valuable lesson. Looking back, I'm glad it ended well, but at the time, I felt completely panicked.
Now, it's your turn to answer these topics. Describe something valuable you own and always take care of. You should say what it is, why it's valuable, how you keep it safe, and explain why it's important to you. Next, describe a time when you helped someone find something they lost. You should say what the item was, who lost it, how you helped, and explain how you felt about it. Describe something valuable you own and always take care of. You should say what it is, why it's valuable, how you keep it safe, and explain why it's important to you. Last, describe a situation when you had to make a responsible decision. You should say what the situation was, what decision you made, why it was difficult, and what the outcome was.
Part 3. Discussion questions. Why do people feel stressed when they lose something?
Because it creates uncertainty. Losing something important, like keys or documents, can disrupt your entire day. There's also an emotional attachment, especially if the item is personal or expensive.
What kinds of things do people often lose?
Phones, wallets, umbrellas, and even keys are pretty common. On a larger scale, people can also lose data or files, especially in the digital age.
Do you think modern technology helps people avoid losing things?
Definitely. Apps like Find My Phone or smart tags make it easier to locate lost items, but at the same time, technology can make us more careless because we rely on it too much.
Should people be punished if they find something valuable but don't return it?
That's a tricky one. Ethically, yes, they should return it. In some places, keeping lost items is considered theft. I think there should be laws that encourage people to return valuable items, but education and awareness are just as important.
Great job today.
If you enjoyed this speaking practice, like and subscribe for more IELTS shadowing exercises. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.